Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a small boy named Cedric Diggory. Cedric was unlike other children, for he had a special gift: he could understand and speak with the trees. One sunny morning, Cedric wandered through the forest, chatting with the tall oak trees and the tiny willows. He asked the trees about their needs, and they shared their stories with him. "My leaves are wilting, Cedric," said an old oak. "I need water." Cedric ran to the nearest stream, filled a bucket, and returned to the thirsty oak. He gently watered it, and the oak thanked him with a rustling of leaves. Next, he visited the willows. "My branches are weak, Cedric," they whispered. "I need sunlight." Cedric found a small clearing and helped the willows move there, where they could bask in the warm sunlight. They thanked him with a happy dance. As the day turned into evening, Cedric noticed a sad-looking pine tree. "What's wrong, little friend?" he asked. With a kind heart, Cedric invited other trees to come close and befriend the lonely pine. Soon, the pine was surrounded by friends, and it thanked Cedric with a shower of pine cones. Cedric returned home feeling happy and content. He had spent his day helping his forest friends, and he loved every moment of it. From that day on, Cedric continued to care for the forest, always listening to the trees and helping them as needed. The forest thrived under his care, and Cedric grew to be a wise and loved protector of nature. And so, the story of Cedric Diggory, the little tree whisperer, became a beloved tale in the forest and beyond, inspiring kindness and respect towards nature in all who heard it.